So there's a new site. It's called Solar Thermal Store. It's basically like heating website which gives us many varieties of solar thermals, just like solar pool heating, flat plate collector, vacuum tube collectors, and the last one is solar thermal system accessories. So coming to the website has a good content, but I think they should upload some more creativity so that something eye-catching. So they have the place to buy solar heating equipments. They have like manufacturers. They offered some like famous manufactured like Enerso, Solar Pool Heatings, and Enerworks. So you can make your account by registering, or you can access your account as a guest. So they have like they should upload some more content on their website so that it should be eye-catching. They have uploaded contact us. There's just a form, contact number, that's it, and nothing. They just have like five their varieties. I think they should upload something more for their customers, more varieties. That's it. I should be giving rating for like only 5 to this website because there is no content for customers. There are only like 4 options of solar thermal. That's it. They should have something eye-catching or something creative for customers. That's it.